Hi everyone, I am Monashi Bhuyan, studying in class 12 science stream from the JNV Sibsagar. I am a painter from my core of my heart. For me, it was a wonderful chance to get enhance my skill of painting under 24-hour guidance of the great Nabudayan art teachers. I indeed had these gurus and I become more confident. Nabudaya also taught me human values, take responsibilities and take care of youngers. From this platform, I get chance to participate in national level and state level competition. I also received Kala Gaurav Award. Not only my art teachers, but other teachers also encouraged me in this field. Through my painting, I would like to give positive messages to our society and I want to become that kind of artist who always spread happiness among people. I want to give thanks to God for making me a part of Nabudaya.
Hello everyone, I am Kalbajit Kumar from JNV Sibsagar. I feel proud that I am a student of Navodaya. Navodaya is an institution which provides all kinds of opportunities to all the Navodayan. In short, Navodaya is the institution which transforms the pieces of glasses into diamond. I joined JNV in the year 2014 and now I am a student of 12th standard and look forward to become an officer in the armed forces. And I just want blessings from you all so that all the Navodayan can go forward and bring laurels to the Vidyalaya, to the nation, to the society. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lakhyadip Mohan, currently studying in JNV Sibsagar, Assam. I got selected in 2016 and now currently I am in class 10. Needless to say, Navodaya has been contributing a lot to the scenario of Indian education and culture. Navodaya bridge up the gap between rural and urban. It also helps for creating national integration by its innovative migration policy. Under this policy, I went to JNV Firozabad, Uttar Pradesh on the academic session of 2019 to 20. And there, I got the opportunity to learn different languages, different cultures, and also I got a chance to represent my culture in a different state. And also I learned to adapt myself in a very different climate. And at last, I want to say that God's selection in migration is not a burden to anyone, but it's a big opportunity for him to represent himself and his school in a different place. Thank you very much.
Hello, I am Monashi Alahan from class 10. After coming JNV Sibsagar, my confidence level goes high. The loving and caring teacher inspire me a lot. I participated in the National Youth Parliament and many more activities. All these are possible for me only because of the kind guidance of my beloved teachers. At last, I want to say that I feel myself very lucky and proud to be a part of Navodaya. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nandita Fukon, a student of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Sibsagar. I am studying in class 12 right now. Apart from study, Navodaya is a most wonderful platform for me. It gave me the opportunity to see the different places of our country. I am an aspiring athlete. It also brought me from a grass track to a synthetic track in athletics. As I am 4-time HFI player and 7-time national player, it is not possible for me to imagine that position if Navodaya would not have made it possible. Mostly, I was OD due to my game, but it's never made me weak in my study because my teachers taught me a lot. They encouraged me, support me in this field more than my parents do. In future, I want to become an army officer so that I can contribute something to my nation as Navodaya contribute to me. Thank you.
I'm Angana Lahan from JNV Sibsagar class 7. I visited JNV Kerala, Kasaragod in National Athletic Meet due to JNV only. I'm very much thankful to JNV Sibsagar Assam. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Sabalika Soikia. I am in class 12 in JNV Sibsagar. Since 1987, Navodaya has been contributing a lot to the society by producing a large number of responsible citizens. Navodaya has helped the students to develop both mentally and physically. It has helped the students to reach great heights. As a student of Navodaya, I also hope to contribute my part to the society in the future. I look forward to do something in the field of agriculture. And at last, I would like to say thanks to Navodaya for all the things they have given to us. Thank you.